Not pressing anything.
What it is. Oh boy.
That's a good way to encourage me.
See if it goes off again.
Rocco,
It's like the
for
10th
your-
No,
time.
I don't like that.
What the fuck? He is so weird.
It'll be right here.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Give him incentive to
Oh,
like,
Rocco.
go all the way over here.
Come on,
It's
Rocco.
so sticky, disgusting.
There it goes. I haven't pressed anything.
Rocco.
And it disarmed. It's gonna do this like 20 times.
Come on. Come on. Oh, dude, I'm about to eat this motherfucker. Oh, shit. That looks good.
There's a lot of protein in that.
There's still like blood on it.
Valet mode.
Dude, chili.
Not in valet mode.
I got
Valet
a bunch
mode.
Of, a bunch of sausage links from there.
Not in valet
I got
mode.
a bunch of pig ears. That dude loves pig ears, dude. But he leaves shreddings everywhere. It's disgusting. And it stinks.
Alright, so that's that.